just fantastic.
I know we've already done the Pledge of Allegiance, but I just...
Stu Cabe.
Give her a big round of applause. Holy cow. All right, let's hear it. Where are my anchors? All right. How many of you, your most embarrassing moment took place in front of other people? Okay, that's usually what makes it most embarrassing. If you're all by yourself and you sneeze and a big old bubble comes out, and nobody's there to see it, you're like, oh well, whatever, white. Then you look in the mirror like, oh, I didn't get all of that. But then if somebody sees it, they're like, you just blew a bubble with your nose. That's kind of what makes it most embarrassing. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. I don't think anybody noticed. So I'm begging him to take me home. He's telling me people won't laugh. He's saying the game's not over. This is all happening, and finally, he just said, Stu, listen to me. And I'll never forget this moment. And the reason I remember it so many years later so vividly, because it's an emotional moment. You remember emotional moments. I'm gonna make you a promise. Nobody's gonna laugh. Dad, they're gonna laugh. You don't understand. Nobody's gonna laugh. I promise. He just stands up. It's almost like he looks around. And he unzips at the time what we called a windbreaker. It's a light jacket. He takes it off, throws it around my waist. He was a lot taller than me. Took the sleeves and tied it in a knot. And the coat basically covered my entire uniform. And then my dad said the third and final stupid thing to me. You gotta go back out there. Dad, I'm not going back out there. The game is not over. You're going back out there and you're gonna finish the game. But listen to me. Nobody will laugh. I don't know what my dad knew. I don't know what magic he had in his bag. But nobody ever laughed. And trust me, I would have remembered. Schools have habits too. The ones that I'm more troubled with are not what you eat, where you eat, who you eat with. The ones that trouble me and get me on airplanes to talk to kids are the ones that have to do with how you treat each other. And I get to the very end of the day, 5 minutes left, not even that, 4 minutes left, and I'm about ready to dismiss everybody. And in the bleachers, somewhere up in that section, this hand goes flying up. And I look up, and it's Brent. And I called on him. I thought he had a question. Hey, Brent, what's up? He goes, can I come down there and talk on your microphone? But for some reason, I looked at him, I go, okay. The moment he popped up, 200 kids all started snickering. All started turning and like, oh, this will be good. And I immediately regretted it because this was not gonna be successful for this kid. He grabs a mic, looked at the floor. He wouldn't look at the audience. He's like, hi, everybody, my name is Brent. I'm a junior here, and when I walked in to do this workshop this morning, I thought it was gonna be stupid. Sorry, Stu, I did. But it wasn't stupid. In fact, today was the best day of my life. Anyway, I'm worried about what's gonna happen tomorrow. We're just gonna go back to school, and so I'd like to make a promise. And my promise is this. If you say hi to me in the hallways, I will say hi back every single time. Now here's what we discovered. They had habits around Brent. They made fun of him constantly. Look at him. He's an easy target. Look at the way he looks. Oh, they had all kinds of clever stuff. Called him Mr. Potato Head. Hey, Brent, how'd you fit through the door? Hey, Brent, what do your parents look like? Hey, Brent, if we tied a string to your foot, would you float like one of those Macy's Thanksgiving Day parade floats? Hey, Brent, that was their habit. He was giving them an alternative. If you just say hi, I'll say hi back. But he wasn't done talking. He kept talking. I will say hi back every single time. Except on Thursday. I can't on Thursday. And we're like, what's going on Thursday, Brent? And we're all thinking it. We were almost giggling. He goes, well, Thursday. I can't say hi on Thursday because I'm not going to be at school on Thursday. I have to go to the doctor. I have a brain tumor, so I'm not going to be at school on Thursday. And hands me the mic. He just kind of stops, turns back, comes and cracks the microphone, and he looks right at the audience, and he goes, oh, and just in case you were wondering, the brain tumor is not because of the size of my head. And hands me the mic. And it's that simple. That's the whole thing. The whole thing. It just comes down to kind is intentional. I don't know what habits you have, but the habit I would like you to have most is just when this is every day, I'm going to try to be kind. And it looks like this. And when I am unkind, it feels like this. And it's that simple. That's the whole thing. The whole thing. It just comes down to kind is intentional. Thank you so much.